Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. These are modern Kraft business card template. You can exit down from the link in the description, down from here, and here this is the front of the card and this is the back of the card. So just open the front of the card. It is totally completely customizable, and you will see here you can put your own logo here, your own text, and you can also change the text in the logo here. Change it, write anything, and it will just write bulk or anything, your company name, and here are the icons. You can also change them, change this print, not here, it's here, so on. And you can see this is completely customizable. And here is the back of the card. Back of the card just only contains logo, where you will see, yeah, here is the back of the card. This contains logo. You can also edit it. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Take care.